Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to install Skype on your Windows 11 laptop. So guys, if you are using Windows 11 laptop and you want to use Skype, so click on start, then type here store, open Microsoft Store. Now here search Skype. Select this Skype application. Then click on install. Now once you successfully download, open it. Then click on let's go. Use your account to sign in. Complete signing process. Then click on continue, and also click on continue. Then click on OK. So this is the way guys you can download and install Skype on your Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.